Do you think you're prepared for anything at the gym? As a paramedic, I've seen emergencies happen when people least expect it. So today I thought I'd do a video over 5 life-saving tips that every gym goer needs to know because they could save a life, maybe even yours. So stay tuned. Here's what I've learned is that emergencies don't care how fit you are. They happen to beginners, to seasoned athletes alike. It doesn't matter whether it's spotting signs of a serious medical condition, staying safe while you're pushing yourself to your limits, or even stepping up when someone needs your help. These tips are critical for staying prepared. Pay attention. One day, this knowledge could make all the difference. Tip number 1 is recognizing the signs of a heart attack. Look, this can happen to anybody, even young, healthy people. So look out for these signs. If you see someone's complaining of chest pain, any kind of discomfort, especially during or after intense exercising, that could be a potential sign of a cardiac event. Dizziness or unexplained shortness of breath is another sign. Also, importantly, if that pain spreads to the arms, the neck, or the jaw, those could be telltale signs of a cardiac event. If you're experiencing those symptoms, here's what you do. You immediately stop, sit or lie down and have somebody call 911. If you're helping somebody else, make them comfortable and stay with them until help arrives. Time saves lives. Going into tip number 2, everyone should know how to use an AED or an automated external defibrillator. Most gyms should have an AED, but do you know where it's kept? These devices are designed for anyone to use and will guide you step by step with voice commands. Look, they're so simple, firemen can use them. If you do find yourself in a situation where you need an AED, first step is to grab it immediately if somebody collapses or isn't breathing. Turn it on and follow its instructions. It will tell you exactly where to place the pads and when to shock the heart. Keep those compressions going until help arrives. Another tip to add to that is if you're walking into the gym, take 10 seconds to locate where an AED may be placed. That little bit of awareness can save crucial minutes in the case of an emergency. Number 3 is to prevent dehydration before it even starts. Dehydration can sneak up on you and lead to dizziness, fainting, or even worse, passing completely out. How to stay hydrated. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not just during your workout. Add electrolytes, drink sports drinks, Gatorade, something that will keep plenty of those electrolytes available for when you're needy, especially if you sweat heavily or if you're working outside and it's really hot. One way you can gauge your hydration level is to look at your urine. I know it sounds gross, but look at it. If it's really, really dark, that could be a sign of dehydration. Your urine should be light yellow, but if it's super dark or worse, brown or red, like call somebody. Then I can't stress this enough. Just stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before the workout, during, and if you're drinking a lot and it's hot and you find yourself outside or you sweat excessively, don't forget to add in some of those vital electrolytes. Number 4 is how to spot heat exhaustion or heat stroke and to be able to spot it early. Here are some common signs. Excessive sweating followed by dry skin. That's a sign of the body's cooling system failing, alongside with nausea, confusion, and feeling faint. This could be paired up with a weak and rapid pulse. If you do have suspicion that someone may be suffering from heat exhaustion or heat stroke, here's what you do is you immediately move them to a cool area. We call that active cooling. Get them some water, not caffeinated or alcohol. Use fans, ice packs, or wet towels to start cooling them down. And if somebody becomes really disoriented or completely unresponsive, call 911. Tip number 5, use proper spotting techniques. I've seen a ton of weightlifting accidents that could have been completely avoided had there been proper spotting in place. You know the saying, it's ER or PR. Trust me, you don't want to go that route. And if you are finding yourself in a spot where you're going to attempt a really heavy lift, don't be ashamed. Ask to have a spotter. And if you're one of those people that's spotting somebody else, keep 100% focus on the person or the lifter that you're helping. Don't get distracted with your phone or be talking to a friend while you're supposed to be spotting. A helpful tip for that would be to position yourself to grab the bar or quickly move it if needed, especially during a bench press or squat. Smart lifting is safe lifting, and you don't want a preventable accident completely ruining your progress. So look, these are just a few of the life-saving tips I've learned from working in the field and going to the gym constantly. Hope you found some of those helpful, but if you want to stay ahead of emergencies and learn even more about smart training, save this video, leave a comment or feedback down below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for future videos that come out. I hope you found this video helpful. Coach Kia signing off, and remember, I want to see you PR, not in the ER, so stay safe out there, and until next time, remember, it's about progress, not perfection.